Okay, guys, here's another what's in your toolbox, Ron. This is another flea market find. The amazing thing that attracted me to this was the box. Okay, back in the day, Kmart, Sears, JCPenney. Initially, when styrofoam become a packaging material, it was the package. Okay, and today we find cold items shipped in exclusively styrofoam things. But this was new and wondrous material back in the day. Okay, and they simply took a engineered a styrofoam box, slapped some decals on it, probably shrink wrapped it with some heat shrink plastic, and sold it. Okay, this is a engine tune-up kit, toolkit. And like I said, the box is what attracted me to it. 100% styrofoam. Has a vacuum gauge, a compression gauge, a piece of chalk to make marks. I'm assuming for timing, maybe. An Allen key to adjust the dwell on GM products. A timing light that is not inductive. It's the old style that you pull the wire off, put this on the plug, and then plugged it back on. A tack dwell meter. A little plastic bag full of jumpers that has not been opened. A remote starter switch. The only thing missing was the spark plug gap tool, which I've replaced with a later version. And then also there were books involved. Unfortunately, all the literature that came with it is missing. Okay, let's see. This set can, but what does it contain here? This set includes timing light, engine analyzer, which I'm sure they're calling the dwell tack, compression tester, vacuum gauge and fuel pump tester, remote starter switch, accessories, and instructions. Unfortunately, we don't have the instructions, and here's a picture of everything. And like I said, when I was a kid, this was something that you would have walked in and drooled over. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, Dixon Incorporated, I believe, was out of Denver. And I really think this is all American made. Denver, Colorado. And the light's going, I can't see. Anyway, yeah. There you go.